Hey everyone, my name is Anthony Jung and I'm the Executive Chef of Retail Dining at the University of Massachusetts at Amherst. And today I'm going to show you how to make Pad Thai at home. Alright, so let's go over our ingredients for our Pad Thai. So we have some Pad Thai noodles here that I've soaked in warm water. We have a local egg, fish sauce, sugar, tamarind, some mirin, lime juice, some paprika, a couple of cilantro sprigs, some tofu, some scallions that I've already cut up. We have some dried shrimp, some limes, bean sprouts, some cooked shrimp, a little bit of canola oil here, and some roasted peanuts that I've already crushed in this pestle and mortar. All right, let's start with the sauce for our Pad Thai here. And this is what gives its very unique flavor here. I have a little bit of tamarind, our sugar, our fish sauce, our mirin, our lime juice, and our paprika. Just gonna give this a nice little stir here. All right, let's head over to the stove. All right, so I brought all of the ingredients over to the stove here. Let's go to almost all the way up on high. And then let's add some canola oil here. And we're just gonna let that come up pretty much to the smoking point, and then we'll start our stir fry. So the first thing is I'm gonna add our soaked noodles. Okay, we're just gonna give this a little saute. Okay. And now we're going to add some of the sauce, and this is what really gives it that distinctive flavor. You can hear that sizzle, just a little bit smoked yet. Let's add our shrimp, the dried shrimp. Bean sprouts. Let's add our tofu. At this stage we'll add our egg. Now just give it a nice little richness and help bring everything together. I'm just going to lower the heat just a little bit. Let's add our shrimp now. You can shut off that heat. And let's add just a little bit more sauce. So we really get that great flavor of the lime. Okay. Set it right in our bowl here. Oh, it smells great. Alright, and then let's garnish it with some limes here, some scallions, our crushed peanuts, and some cilantro sprigs, and that's our Pad Thai. So hopefully you found this video informative and educational, and that you'll give Pad Thai a try at home.